well, we want to see what is upcoming. So in the future or in the next releases. So we are currently, when this is happening, end of April. So everything that will now be developed happens from April till September. This is the current release wave, and you can already see through the release planner by Microsoft and as well the docs provided what is planned in general and what is the focus on. So what we definitely will get is some modernized time and tree experience. I only do have some kind of blurry screenshot for that because it is not yet there. um, you can let me point out my laser pointer here. What you can see, it definitely looks a bit cleaner. It looks a bit lighter, and this is because the whole infrastructure here on that changed. So you did see already the grid for the project budget, which is also in the same kind of white style and fits perfectly into the whole Dynamics interface. And you do see you get some more items, some more icons and things like that, but the general idea keeps the same. Um, the approach for it is right now to first change the technology, what is used in the pre or the current one, to the new one, and match the feature functionality, and then from that first release on to develop new features. So we definitely will see some new features there as well. We will as well get some UI and UX improvements and as well the budget and time-phased forecasting. So what we currently saw was the budget management, and this will basically get as well like a forecasting or basically a snapshotting now with that on. So you did see that we had this version one linked for our budget. This will be then later be able to create snapshots and to select between different versions to see how the process is and how that everything behaves. And in general, for the UI and UX improvements, I still have that blurry screenshot. Um, the the out of the box and vanilla forms will change in a way that you get some more kind of charts and some nice overviews with that, and you get some more different like general data on the left hand side, and like here, so you have like a summarized general data, and then you do have some charts here on the top. This basically applies for everything quotation, contract, invoicing, and the project, as we can see it right here. As well, what is coming to project are project work hours. So maybe some of you are already connecting or have played around with that. So you do have work hours for resources, and these resources are based on a template, and it's always a bit strange to set it up. And this will come to, or the functionality, not the strange setup. The functionality will be as well available on projects, so you can definitely define them on which days the project should be worked on. So, for example, you want to work only Wednesday and Thursday as a base setup on that project because of customer availability or similar, you will be able to do that. Um, as well, we will get our expense mobile application. Um, there are some more features on the F&O side, which as well handle these expenses a bit better than they do in CE. There is just a much deeper feature technology behind that. As well, on the F&O side, we will do have handlings for subscriptions, for example. So project subscriptions, this will be handled there as well. And as mentioned, for the budget, what we earlier saw, it can we look like that. So in this case, you may can see it. There's like this version one we saw before, but with an option to filter it, and you then as well can see that it's approved and things like that. See, all of these project budget functionality I just showed you will be as well improved.